mis amores, what is up, my loves? So today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the right way to deep condition your hair. Not a lot of people know the steps on how to deep condition your hair, so I'm gonna show you guys how to go from the dry matty to the popping curls. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this video popping. So what I did that you guys didn't see was I wet my hair and I didn't shampoo or anything or condition. I'm just gonna go ahead and wet it and begin putting in this Diva Curl conditioner. This conditioner is super poppin', but any conditioner, deep conditioner, is gonna do. So even homemade ones, all right? So let's go ahead and put it all over your hair. Put it all over your strands here. Don't miss any strand, okay? You gotta show every single strand loving. So I leave it in for 20 minutes and then I don't wash it out yet. I begin to detangle my hair with this brush, and you guys can tell how much hair I be losing. This is totally normal though now. So second step is shampooing your hair. So you shampoo your hair after you put the deep conditioning in your hair to get the deep conditioner out. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. Shampoo after you deep condition. And then after you shampoo, your hair is going to be extremely clean. It has a deep conditioner out, and I skip from conditioning because I already deep conditioned, and I begin to put styling products in my hair. So the steps are deep conditioner, shampoo, and then just styling. You don't want to over moisturize your hair with conditioner, so when you shampoo and then you style, it just helps so much. It doesn't weight it down with too much conditioner, y'all. I hope you guys like this video. I love y'all.